What kind of time horizon are we looking at here?
Well, I think you're going to see a big move sometime in the next couple of years, because I think we're going to have a real fiscal cliff that we're going to go over, not this phony pothole that we're probably not going to go over because politicians will once again do the wrong thing and cancel these minimal spending cuts, and we're going to continue to go towards the real fiscal cliff, which looms on the horizon. But I think we're going to have a monetary crisis, a dollar crisis. Right now, people are more worried about Europe, and so that's buying us some time. But at some point, the spotlight is going to go where it belongs, right back on the U.S., because we've got a bigger debt problem than Europe. And we're going to have this crisis of confidence in the dollar, in the Treasury market, and the only safe haven from that is gold.
Okay. All right. Peter Schiff, he's bullish on gold, looking at $5,000 over the next couple of years. Thank you so much for coming on Futures Now. Of course, he's the author of The Real Crash, America's Coming Bankruptcy. Well, Peter, guys, is obviously a long-term bull, but Grizz, I'm looking for a short-term trade here. What are you doing with gold right now?
Yeah, absolutely, Jackie. I mean, he mentioned QE, he mentioned the fiscal cliff, he mentioned the uncertainty in the markets, and also inflation, which the FOMC meeting, they did mention that a little bit yesterday. So I'm looking to buy it right above that $1,700 level at $1,702. My stop is at $1,693. I'm not looking for it to quite to go to $5,000. $1,725 is my target to get out of this trade. It's a short little trade, and it really plays to the end of the year.
Hey, Grizz, this is Futures Now, not Futures Yesterday. That was yesterday's trade. If the market gets back down to 1,700, I think they break that 1,690. And really, we talked about 1,690 to 87. I would probably adjust that entry point. Watch out, because if we retest 1,700, they're going to check for stops below your levels.
I don't see that, Rich. I don't see that at all. I still see a lot of uncertainty in the market. I see a lot of problems going into this world, a lot of uncertainty. I don't understand why anybody would sell gold at this point, coming in the end of the year, elections and everything else.
All right. Well, we're differing here just on a little bit. Of course, Rich is looking for a little bit of a lower entry point. Anthony is saying buy it now. So let's break down his gold trade with a little risk reward. When trading gold futures, each dollar move is worth $100. So Grizz is looking for a 23-point move. That means that he's hoping to make $2,300. He's risking 9 points or $900 to get there. That's a 2.5 to 1 payout if you go with this gold trade.